Next up, we have Komal Masood, who is the AVP of Learning and Development at Knowledge Streams. Komal, thank you for your time. I want to start with just trying to understand a little bit about your background, your professional experience, and what led you to Knowledge Stream.
2007 में मैंने कंप्यूटर साइंसेज में ग्रेजुएट किया और उसके बाद मैंने टेक्नोलॉजिक्स पाकिस्तान को ज्वाइन किया, उनकी ट्रेनिंग टीम को. और बिसाइड्स इन हाउस और एक्सटर्नल ट्रेनिंग्स आई बीन पार्ट ऑफ मल्टीपल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. इसी एक्सपीरियंस के दौरान मुझे डिफरेंट एजुकेशनल सिस्टम को अंडरस्टैंड करने का चांस मिला कि what are the pros and cons, what are different kind of training methodologies, and how we can adapt them or adopt them based on my experience. So that's in a nutshell I've been my experience.
Very good. And you were in this hardcore tech company for 15 years. एक पूरा career था वहाँ पर.
जी.
But leaving that for Knowledge Streams, what's the thought behind that, and why Knowledge Streams?
If I compare, let's say, Knowledge Streams to any other organization in Pakistan, बिला मुबालगा Knowledge Stream एक वाहिद इदारा है जो कि fully immersive, face to face, technical training करवा रहा है, जहाँ पे industry driven curriculum है, industry driven projects हैं, they are doing hands on training every single day, and besides that we are focusing on essential skills as well. And वो सिर्फ हमको ट्रेनिंग करके सर्टिफिकेट दे के हमारा रोल वहाँ ख़त्म नहीं हो जाता, उसके बाद भी हम उनको ऑनगोइंग सपोर्ट देते हैं कि हाउ टू अप्रोच और हाउ टू रीच डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ जॉब.
What I hear from you is कि आप लोग बेसिकली जो इंडस्ट्री एंड एकेडेमिया का गैप है जो कि बहुत पाकिस्तान में पॉपुलर सो स्पॉट है, उसको ब्रिज कर रहे हैं इन अ वे, राइट? एंड ऑब्वियसली उसके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है टू अंडरस्टैंड कि इंडस्ट्री की एक्चुअली रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्या हैं. हाउ इंपॉर्टेंट वाज योर ओन एक्सपीरियंस coming in from the industry, and how important do you think is having that insight from the industry within something like Knowledge Streams?
Definitely, because learning and development के अलावा मेरा experience different domains में, legal, education और financials में रहा है as a project manager and as an analyst. So I know besides skill set what I need to see in a potential team member that I'm going to hire. तो इस तरह की चीज़ें that help me, that my professional experience helped me in this role as well when I am going to develop a certain kind of a curriculum or when I am doing industry research.
As a woman, you've been in the IT industry. Pakistan mein generally women participation in the formal economy is very less, but more so in the IT and STEM field. How important do you think is integrating women into it? Is there a core focus for Knowledge Streams there as well? Because I do know.
What happens is there are social and cultural barriers. They are expected to be a home carer. They are expected to be at home. There are gender stereotypes. For example, they cannot code, they cannot travel, they cannot communicate, or they cannot interact as well as certain elements that men have. And again, how we can achieve that and how we can improve that situation, if I talk about the industry, they need to understand that they have different kind of requirements over there. They need to provide them flexible work environment or flexible working hours, paternity leave, and in-house childcare as well. As far as Knowledge Streams is concerned, we are very much focused on that initiative, and we have specially identified scholarship programs especially for females for this purpose, and there are many companies out there who are doing CSR exclusively for female in tech industry because they want to get this ratio at balance.
Makes sense. Komal, thank you so much for your time.